This is nuts.
It's crazy. And then we've got Seaside's got one, and Alys Beach and down there. So it just get after it.
It's cool.
Welcome to the South, right?
Well, we were trying to get to Jim's. That was the plan.
Yeah.
And then they
had to come at like 7 a.m.
they walked us off. So we parked on Grayton Trails. Like we took the back lane and just like got
Snuck in.
Wow.
His car will be gone when we get back.
Right. Someone towed it or whatever. Well, and like at the very beginning, it was like so full, and we're like, let's keep walking. It looks empty, and then it was like empty down here. Everyone doesn't want to walk far, so you got to walk so far.
It's the amount of people up there.
It's wild.
I like how I'm standing a foot taller than him, so it looks like I'm slightly taller. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, look at this.
I was very shocked when I saw the G-Wagon out on the road.
Me too.
I was like,
my
what?
Goodness.
What time did you get here? To get that spot.
We left at 7:30.
I guess
So we got here at 7:50-ish.
What time leave your house? 45?
Yeah.
Too late.
Too late.
Too late, guys. These guys are carrying a tape.
Well, literally, the cop came. We were like up on the road. The cop came and put the cones right in front of our car, like saying like,
yeah.
So like if 1 minute earlier, we would have been able to just go down.
All the way down. Welcome to Grayton on 4th.
Look at them all. I love it. What should we do?
I don't know, we're kind of stuck here.
We are stuck here, really.
Grayton, 4th of July.
4th of July. We're going to meet the Dime Lab guy. There he is.
Guys,
You already
look
get
at you. What's up, dude? I'm about to go grab a dude's surfboard that he has in the back of his truck he's gonna let me use. We're that white Jeep, we're right in front of it. We got the Super 73 set up under there and everything.
Sweet.
Our mom and stuff's over there. We'll be right back. Sweet.
Happy 4th. How are you doing, brother? You're looking great. Thank you, my brother.
I love it. We came down for the parade, and then we went back home for a little bit. My family's all up in Wisconsin.
Yeah, your family's where in Wisconsin now?
So usually I go back, but I stay down here.
All right, what are you doing?
So this is my first. We usually go home for the 4th, what I'm saying. But
Yeah.
so we don't usually do this. Sweet.
Yeah.
That's what I.
That's right, I saw it.
Oh yeah.
Don't know when they're coming. She left a week earlier than she was intending.
She was eager to go.
Yeah.
Look at her. It's like,
be pump faking the camera, man. Why are you pump faking the camera?
These are local guys that make these. That's their water filter. See how trippy it is. Right out of the water.
Hey, Gulf of America. See, I don't look good doing this. Gotta find somewhere to do this now. Keep your eye open.
What do you got to do?
Find somewhere to do calf raises and step ups. This is the journey to being able to dunk when you're 40. Think I'll be able to do it?
Yes.
You see me in pain or what?
Whoo.
Had a height difference?
What you're used to?
It's substantial.
Single life.
Oh, single life is. You know, I miss my family dearly.
Yes, most of all.
Right. Mm-hmm. But it's, you know, it's easy to get up and go, you know, and just do when you don't have the family in town.
So if you want to go, you just go.
Just go.
If you want to stay, you stay.
So like today, we went to the parade. We went to the beach. We worked out. And now we're going to fireworks.
What a day.
I know.
I tried. At least I have red.
Like I said, this is kind of red and blue and white. Kind of.
Red? Yeah, I mean, you consider like
Faded.
a dull brown red, then yes, it's very.
How do you guys, so is this your first year of being a U.S. citizen? Technically? Yeah, for the fourth?
Right.
Is it?
It's very exciting.
Whoa.
Before you can't really get too excited because you're like,
Yes.
Now it's like, okay, we can actually get.
We can
into
legally
this.
celebrate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just kind of like we were fake. We were like faking it, wannabes. Now it's authentically us.
We're as American as the next, as these people right here. Seems like a looser ball tonight.
Oh,
Very loose.
very loose.